Welcome back, everyone. This is Danny with Globe Kiss Travel coming to you with another Miami hotel adventure. This time, we are in the Miami Beach area visiting the Marseilles Beachfront Hotel. Grab a drink and let's jet set to Florida. I was visiting the Miami area for my birthday in September, and I booked this beautiful Art Deco boutique hotel located in the heart of Miami Beach. The Marseilles Beachfront Hotel is a smoke-free property with 8 floors and 112 guest rooms. It is a family and pet-friendly beachfront property with direct beach access and its own private beach area with loungers and umbrellas. This property has an outdoor heated swimming pool, a hot tub, cabanas, backyard area with sunbeds and hammocks, and access to its own bar area. All the staff we met were friendly and helpful, and I really enjoyed the food and drinks here. There are 3 restaurant locations on property. Every night, the Marseilles hosts an incredible dollar happy hour from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m., but you do have to be a guest of the hotel. Sit back and relax, and let's enjoy the property tour of the lovely Marseilles Beachfront Hotel. Thank you for traveling back to Miami with me to tour the lovely Marseilles Beachfront Hotel. I highly recommend staying at this property if you enjoy staying at boutique hotels like I do, especially in the Miami area. Subscribe to GlobeKiss Travel for more travels. I'll see you on our next vacation. Let's jet set to new adventures.